it's Melissa from Big Universe Music, and today we're doing another Hank Williams song called Mind Your Own Business. Grab your guitar, let's get started. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can learn more Hank Williams tunes from me. We're gonna play this tongue-in-cheek country song in the key of C. We're gonna use the chord C, F, and G. Nice and easy. When I play country music like this, like a honky-tonk song, I use something called muting the strings quite a lot, and that gives us that nice chunky rhythmic guitar playing. That really drives the band forward when you're playing these songs live. To do that muting, I'm not doing a palm mute, I'm actually muting on my left hand by gently lifting up the strings. There's two ways to stop the sound of the strings. One way is to just lift up your left hand and the sound stops, right? So, or of course you can do a mute on your right hand or your picking hand by touching the strings. In essence, removing your fingers from a fretted note, either on the right hand or the left, is going to stop or mute the sound. Of course, if you are playing an open string, that'll keep ringing out regardless. But for us, we're playing our C chord, and we're kind of chunking it. So I'm thinking chop, 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 a chop, 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 chop. Every so often I throw in an upbeat, so I'm maybe doing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. But if you're struggling with that kind of jumping rhythm, just stick to 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll really fill out when you start going faster. That's a little bit how to do a choppy honky-tonk strum. For Mind Your Own Business, we're gonna do that. And we're gonna start on our C chord for if my wife and I are fussing, honey, that's all right. Me and my sweet woman got the license to fight. Now we're gonna go to F. Why don't you mind your own business? Now when I play the F chord like this, I bring my thumb over the top and just gently touch it so that it stops the sound rather than... Now you can do this, that's fine, but I just usually go to this one. Mind your own business. Then back to C, mind your own business. Now G, there's two ways you could play it. You could either take that F shape that you like, the bar or the small version, slide it up to the 3rd fret, mind your own business, which is nice if you're doing that chunk because you have more fretted strings. Or you could do the open G, mind your own business and you won't be minding mine. And that's all there is to the whole song. It's this feeling. The lyrics are really silly and fun, and I love the message of it, which is just mind your own business, right? If you mind your own business, you'll stay busy all the time. Pretty good. Let's try it again. I'll go a little slower. Let's try 2nd verse, which is the woman on our party line. The woman on our party line's a nosy thing. She picks up her receiver when she knows it's my ring. F chord, mind your own business. C chord, mind your own business. Go to the G chord, mind your own business. You'll stay busy all the time. Back to C. And that's all there is to Mind Your Own Business. Have fun playing and singing, trying that choppy honky-tonk sound, and I will see you in the next lesson.